If you guys have seen my previous video, we grew carrots from seeds, and so that video covers the first 8 weeks of growing carrots. After 8 weeks, the carrots plant had grown pretty big, so I thinned them down because they were too close to each other. I had just planted the seeds in this planter itself, and once I thin them down in last 2 weeks, they have grown really very fast. So I think they got more space. Carrot plants have really grown tall, from the last time in the last 2 3 weeks. So I was thinking of doing mulching, but now they have grown so big. The soil is not exposed anymore to direct sun. I mean, almost. So I didn't do any mulching. So I got the first glimpse of a carrot in one of these. I'm still not taking them out because they look very healthy and they are growing. So I'm going to leave them as it is. But very soon I'm going to take out one or two. So I noticed, if you look at this one, I can see a carrot forming here. I'm going to just pull it out. Oh, wow. Because this was a multicolored thing. It was, these multicolored carrots. So this is a white carrot. I see another one forming here. I'm not going to take it out right now. And there is a red one I can see here. Nice. So this one is about 1.5 inches in diameter. This is probably 3/4 of an inch, but it is longer. But I mean, they both look good. They are completely organic. We haven't put any pesticides or any chemical fertilizer. It's all compost and just water and lots of love, and they have been growing very very nicely. I want to see if there is a purple one growing. Let me see. So, to see whether the carrot has formed or if it is the color that you are looking for, what you do is that you just remove the dirt from the top of, or where the plant, the leaves are appearing from the soil. You just remove the dirt there and expose the carrot a little bit, and then you can see whether it is big enough and it is the color that you want. But just make sure that if you have exposed the carrots or they were exposed by themselves, and if you're not pulling them out, then you should just cover them back up. Oh, here is a purple one. So we have 3 carrots here. Very, very nice. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.